So yan, after I rub the salt, so I just wash it again and then cut it into half and then cut it again. So kayo na magintindi doon. So I will marinate it before I fry it. Oh, I'm thinking if I want to fry it or air fry. So I will decide later. So i-fry ko na lang siya to bake quicker. Kasi parang matagal yung air fryer kasi. So I decided to fry it. And our cucumber is already cut, and this one, so I just add some chili to have some color because it look like all is green, so I want to have some other color, so I add chili. So it's only optional if you want spicy or not, so you can skip this one. And it's done. So it look like grilled, but it's not, so it's very hot, so let it cool first before we slice kasi mapapaso tayo. So let it cool for a minute maybe, and then we can slice it. So ganito lang yung pagka-cut. So it's up to you if you want thick or thin, but for me this is the perfect one. So you decide, and kayo nang bahala dyan. And na-slice na lahat, so let's combine all together. So I just use this sauce. Actually I want white vinegar, but I am already out of stock. So that is why I use black vinegar and soy sauce. So kayo nang replace white vinegar. Kasi yan lang yung available dito sa bahay. So I just use that one. And it's done. And here is it. It's done. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.